Good morning, students of class 6th. Today we'll be starting with the 8th chapter from your GK book, Civilian Awards. These awards or decorations are awarded to people for their contribution in a specific field or distinguished services. Civilian awards are some awards which are given to people for their contribution इन अ स्पेसिफिक फील्ड और डिस्टिंग्विश सर्विसेज. ये उन लोगों को मिलते हैं अवार्ड्स जो कि अपने फील्ड में एक पर्टिकुलर फील्ड में बहुत ही रिमार्केबल काम करके जाते हैं. दीज आर द हाइएस्ट अवार्ड लॉर्डेड टू एनी सिविलियन इन इंडिया. लॉर्डेड मीन्स गिवन. सो these are the highest awards. There are 4 civilian awards and ये 4 civilian awards हैं. These are the highest awards given to any civilian in India. First one, the highest civilian award of India, which means Gem of India. Gem of India is conferred to the people in the fields of arts, science and public service, literature and after 2013 even in the fields of sport. This award can be bestowed 3 times in a year. This award was introduced in the year 1954. तो द हाइएस्ट सिविलियन अवार्ड जो है इंडिया का, द फर्स्ट एंड द हाइएस्ट सिविलियन अवार्ड जिसको हम जेम ऑफ इंडिया भी कहते हैं, दैट अवार्ड इज नोन एज भारत रत्न. दिस इज गिवन टू द पीपल इन द फील्ड्स ऑफ आर्ट, साइंस, पब्लिक सर्विस, लिटरेचर एंड 2013 के बाद इसमें हमने स्पोर्ट्स फील्ड भी ज्वाइन कर लिया है. दैट दिस मीन्स दैट people who have done successfully well in arts, science, public services, literature and 2013 में हमने sports भी इसमें enter कर दिया था. This award can be bestowed 3 times in a year. This means that साल में 3 बार ये award दिया जाता है. This award was introduced in the year 1954. So the name of the award is Bharat Ratna. Second, this award is the second highest civilian award of India and was introduced in 1954. भारत रत्न के साथ ही ये वाला अवार्ड भी इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ था. ऑल सिटीजन्स बिलोंगिंग टू एनी कास्ट, रेस, जेंडर, रिलीजन आर एंटाइटल्ड टू दिस ऑनर फॉर द एक्सेप्शनल एंड डिस्टिंग्विश्ड सर्विसेज. सत्येंद्र नाथ बोस was the first Indian to receive this award. So this is Padma Vibhushan. Padma Vibhushan is the second highest award in India. 1954 में along with भारत रत्न पद्म विभूषण को भी इंट्रोड्यूस कराया गया था. एंड this award can be given to any citizen belonging to any caste, color, creed, gender. कोई demarcation नहीं. Satyendra Nath Bose was the first one. So learn this thing. Satyendra Nath Bose was the first Indian to receive this award, Padma Vibhushan. The third highest civilian award of India and is awarded to a citizen to recognize his distinguished services of high order to the nation. It is presented by the Government of India. Padma Bhushan is the third highest civilian award and is awarded to a citizen to recognize his distinguished service of the high order. So ये generally उनको मिलता है जो अपने distinguished service, अपने remarkable service of the high order, मतलब जो इंडिया के जो टॉप मोस्ट पोस्ट्स हैं जैसे सिविल सर्विसेज हो गए, जो सर्व करते हैं नेशन को एंड हु डू अ रिमार्केबल वर्क इन दैट फील्ड, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया इन अवार्ड्स को प्रेजेंट करती है. नेक्स्ट इज द फोर्थ वन. दिस इज द फोर्थ हाईएस्ट सिविलियन अवार्ड गिवन बाय द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया एंड इंक्लूड्स रिकग्नाइजिंग द सर्विसेज रेंडर्ड बाय गवर्नमेंट सर्वेंट्स टू. पद्मश्री इज द फोर्थ हाईएस्ट सिविलियन अवार्ड. So there are 4 civilian awards again. Bharat Ratna is the first one, also known as the Gem of India. This is the highest civilian award. Second is Padma Vibhushan. This is the second highest civilian award. Padma Bhushan, third highest, and Padma Shri is the fourth highest. Let's just go through this fun fact for once. Lal Bahadur Shastri became the first person to be awarded the Bharat Ratna posthumously. Posthumously means after their death. So Lal Bahadur Shastri was awarded Bharat Ratna after he died. So this is the 8th chapter, Civilian Awards, for you students. Please do the homework accordingly. Your homework is to draw these emblems of all these awards. Bharat Ratna का पद्म विभूषण, पद्म भूषण एंड पद्मश्री। थैंक यू सो मच स्टूडेंट्स, टेक केयर।